Hey everyone, this is Alex coming to you again from Epoxy ETC, and today I'm here with my good friend Nick, and we're gonna talk about the Teenie Genie. Now, if you ever had a huge job with a lot of edges, you know how bad it is to be on your hands and knees for 8 hours the whole day. This is a perfect option for people who have a bad back or bad knees, or just a lot of feet and edges that need to be done and want to stand upright while doing it. It's a great machine. It's a frame. It holds the 7 and the 9-inch grinder, and I'll have Nick tell you a little bit more about it.
All right, so hey Alex, like you said, this is the Teenie Genie. Is a great way to get off your hands and knees. It's basically set up with any standard 7 or 9-inch grinder, and there's a little metal shroud at the bottom so you can hook your vacuum right up to it, collect all the dust. And if you look on top of it, it's hooked up with a nice set of LED lights. All right, so this is if you're trying to do the edges, you're trying to see those exact lines, what you're doing. And every once in a while, you'll run into some curved edges. Okay, so what we have is a little level on top. So when you're going over the edges, you can get a nice, clean, even grind to the concrete. Basically, it's just the 110-volt machine. Once you get it going, it'll be moving itself right around. And it's just the easy, economical way to get off your hands and knees. That's the Teenie Genie.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Have a great day out there.